Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how I made this scrunchie with no sewing at all. So these are the things you would need. You need your fabric, something to measure, tape measure, ruler, whatever it is. You need this iron on tape and elastic band. So first I'll measure out 28 inches long fabric by 6 inches wide. Next, I'm going to be attaching the two vertical ends together first with the M tape. So this M tape that I have, it's iron on. So you would attach the M tape and then you would use your iron to press the fabric together. Next, I'm going to be attaching the horizontal sides together. Fold about 1 inch inward as much as will fit the M tape itself. And then I'm going to iron that, but I will make sure that I leave about 3 inches open to insert the elastic. Next, I'll cut the elastic tape 13 inches long. Now I'm going to attach a safety pin to one end of the tape of the elastic tape, and then attach to one end of that opening that I created on the fabric itself. Also, I'm going to be attaching another safety pin to the other end of the elastic tape so I can pass it through easily through the hole of my fabric. Once I bring it out, I'm going to take out the safety pins on both ends, and then I'm going to tie both ends of the elastic tape into a knot. What I'll be doing next is to now close up the space that I left open for the elastic band. This is a very easy method to create a scrunchie. You do not even need to hand sew or sew with the sewing machine at all. You can have fun with this and create so many scrunchies with different fabrics of your choice. Let me know if you found this video helpful, guys. Give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate that. Subscribe as well, I would appreciate that as well. Come back and check out other videos on my channel. Thank you, take care, and God bless. Bye.